You see the color now. Yes, beautiful. Hey guys, it is Irish Sport Fanatic today. See, my gosh, is all the little worn out facing off. So today I'm gonna paint kind of like a brown, like a light brown. But here's the before. As you can see, all that little paint fall, worn out. It's all the door getting look pretty old. So I'm just gonna repaint all three garage door, a double and a single. So as you can see, I start around the garage already. See the color brown? You see that? That's the color I'm gonna use for the doors and the frame of the garage door. And here another one. So I'm gonna do 3 of them, 2 garage door for three car garage. So yeah, you can see the colors. Just look at that, nasty, right? I already power wash it already, but still look nasty. So that's the color that I'm gonna use once. I'm gonna show you once I'm finished with this one. Hello guys. So far, this is first coating. First coat for the paint. This my God, see. Take forever to paint, but I probably gonna do 2 coats on this paint. It's a kind of brownish, semi-gloss, so it look pretty shiny. But this only first coat. I got one more coat to after I finish this one right here. See, yeah, look pretty cool, huh? What do you think? Yeah, if you any feedbacks of what I've been doing myself, like interior of the house, I paint my own interior, and then the color of the garage is all faded out, so I figure I need to go with a little darker color, make it then how it look nicer. Yeah, so here you go. Let me continue doing the first coat and go with the brush, right? I'll go with the brush. See, gonna go first coat and then the second coat I'm doing with the rollers, right? So this one, I do the first coat always. I think in my opinion, it's good to go with the brush because you can get into all the gaps and all the holes, small hole like this one right here. See, you can't get the roller in there, so you gotta use the brush. You get the little paint in there. See, look at that. See, gone, right? Same thing with all these little, all the little dents were designed at the door, rectangle. You can't get the roller on in there, so I usually get my paint brush and go through it. See, look at that. See, yeah, so this one's gonna be first coat, right, with the brush. So I'll get all the little dent, corner, angle, whatever you want to call it, but I usually use my brush. Same thing with for interior, if a big wall, I don't use the brush. I just use the roller. But on the garage like this, I guess you make sure that you use the brush so we get that color paint, into all the device, all that. Yeah. Look at that. Then just go back and forth. Look at that. See, up and down. Get through all those rectangles. See, look at that. See, look, not bad, huh? First coat, baby. And second. So I got so yeah, this the brush it take the longest. I've been doing this for an hour and a half and not done with the two two-door garage yet. So that's when I go with the roll, it'll be a lot faster because you don't have to go. You just go over, you know, the first coat, so you don't have to get through all the gap and stuff, you know. But it'll be faster. But see, look at that. Make sure I get all this. See it. Look at that. See the difference? See the difference right there? Yeah. This one is complete. The two garage door opener is done with 2 coats. Tomorrow morning I start in this single garage door. Yeah, see the color, and you see the color now. Yes, beautiful.